All right, welcome back. Today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be welding. I have some scrap steel from work that's all cut around the same length. So what I'm going to do is I keep seeing these like TIG trainer boxes or like cubes. So we're going to make a cube out of this stuff. I think this will be an interesting challenge to kind of work on my TIG skills a little bit since I haven't done that in a couple months. All right, now we got those pieces prepped. Now we're gonna set up the machine and go ahead and get rolling. Turn the gas on. All right, so I'm wearing this welding jacket just so I don't burn my arms because that just doesn't sound like fun. All right, so I'm gonna be welding with some ER70S2 3/32 rod, and I think the first course of action is to get everything tacked together. I think I'm gonna need a magnet probably. Not really sure the best way to tack this together. I think that's gonna be the best way. Square, that'll be handy. Let's see, it's a little out of whack. Fuse. There we go. There. Okay, I'm gonna get this box tacked up, or at least like that, and then we'll come back. All right, so I got everything all tacked up. It's just a solid box now. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and start welding. So basically, if you guys are kind of new to welding, TIG welding, something like that, basically what this does is it teaches you to tack things squarely. Oh yeah, the fan kicked off. And then to just give you practice in welding in weird spaces, and then your wire feeding technique, because you got to manually feed the wire in when you do that. So you're doing this, which may not be the best technique, but it's what works for me. You're doing this while you're moving the torch around and then running the arc with your foot, with a foot pedal. So there's this whole bunch of stuff going on. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it, and I'm actually gonna cut this filler rod in half because I don't have enough room to move around freely. Okay, this box moving is not going to work. Fuse. I think I'm actually going to switch over to 16th electrode.
And I got some really interesting shots with my Go 3, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. But yeah, the TIG welds actually turned out really nice. The first couple were a little rough. Oh yeah, thing kicked off again. First started out a little rough, but then once I got the hang of it, or got back into it, they actually turned out really nice, like that one right there. But yeah, I'm really happy with the results. I'll get some up-close shots on my phone. Alright, here's some up-close shots of the welds I did. It's still really hot, so I'm not going to move it around too much. I will, but I'll use a glove. Hot. Yeah, I'm really happy how this thing turned out, for it just being some scrap. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed me welding that box. It's just good practice for me. Hopefully it was interesting for you guys with all the interesting camera shots I was able to figure out with the Go. Hopefully those turned out really cool and you guys enjoyed them. But anyways, thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you next week.